In this demo, you're going to see how you can use Striim to continuously move data from MySQL to Google Cloud SQL for MySQL. We'll show you how to use Striim's wizards and intuitive UI to build data flows, run the data flows to collect data from MySQL using change data capture and deliver it in real time to Cloud SQL for MySQL, and see continuous monitoring of your cloud migration solution. Performing streaming data integration with Striim starts with our wizards. We'll select MySQL as the source and Cloud SQL for MySQL as the target. After clicking the wizard and entering a name for our data flow, you just need to complete a few simple steps. First, you'll configure the source. Enter the necessary information to connect to the source and click on Next. Don't worry, any secure information like passwords is encrypted. The wizard will check that the connection information is correct and that the connection has the correct privileges and supports change data capture. Next, you select the tables you're interested in collecting real-time data from. You can change this selection afterwards, so start with a few tables initially. Finally, you need to configure the target connection information, including how the source data is mapped to the target tables. When you complete the wizard, a data flow is created from the information you entered. You can see the source and target configuration here. To start the data flow, first deploy it to get it ready to run, then start it to begin collecting data from MySQL and delivering it to Cloud SQL for MySQL. Initially, there's no data flowing because we're not generating any new data in MySQL. You can see from the UI for Cloud SQL for MySQL that there is no data present in any of the target tables. Next, we'll run a data generator for MySQL that creates a set of inserts, updates, and deletes. You can see the data in the Dataflow preview window and view the rate of data collection and delivery in the UI. We can also look at the application progress here to see a summary view of your tables. After a number of operations have been generated, we can check back with the Cloud SQL for MySQL UI and see the data in the target tables. Of course, Striim can perform initial loads as well through similar data flows. Here we're moving a million rows from tables in MySQL to Cloud SQL for MySQL using our smart delivery pipeline. You can monitor the progress through the Striim UI, and if we switch to the Cloud SQL for MySQL UI, you can see the data in the target. We can also use the Striim Monitor UI to look at overall metrics and drill down to see the application stats and detailed information for each of the application components. This has been a quick demo of using Striim to deliver data continuously from MySQL to Cloud SQL for MySQL. Please go to our website to try Striim for yourself, find Striim in the Google Cloud Marketplace, or contact us to learn more.